Guys, this is Giovanna, and I'm going to show you how to make cough drops for your aged doll. The supplies you are going to need is this lotion thingy that holds your cough drop. It's really small, so that's why I got it. You can get it at any pharmacy. Okay, so BB gun bullets, Vaporub, some scissors, and paper. So what you're going to do is this is the thing that's going to hold your BB gun bullets, your cough drops. So what you're going to do is get one of this and get some Vaporub. Just get that much Vaporub and put it in your cough drops, like BB gun bullets, so it'll smell like mint. Just put a little bit, not that much. So then when you're done with that part, get a piece of paper, cut them into squares, about this size. You know that line that has 1, 2, 3, so 3 lines. Then you're gonna put your cough drop or your BB gun bullets in there, and you're gonna fold your paper in a hot dog way. If you know what that means, that means vertical. So that's when then when you're done, you're gonna get these sides and just twist them like that. Twist the other side, and it looks like this. And that's how you make them. You just put them over here. Thing that holds your cough drop. I made plenty. I still have a little bit more to finish, but yeah, I'll finish that another time. But my next video is going to be about how to make room for your American Girl doll. And I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and comment below. Bye!